Okay, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all of you around the world. In this video, I will show you about my organic chicken farm. Okay, come back to my channel, GMTV. And if you just find this my channel, don't forget to remember subscribe my channel, like and share this video to the other, your family, your colleagues, your friend, and the other. Okay, I will show you about my organic chicken farm. In our organic chicken farm, all of the chicken in this farm feed organic chicken food. And there are two kind of the chicken food. The first is mine chicken food, and the second is extra chicken food. And all of the chicken food in this farm of material raw from the natural, no chemical. The question is why I like manage my chicken farm by organic chicken farm. Okay, there are two advantages if I manage my chicken farm by organic chicken farm. The first advantage is cost of chicken food more cheap. Okay, the first if cost of chicken food very cheap. And the second advantage, by the organic chicken food we have our chicken very healthy, very healthy. So I like manage my chicken farm by organic food or organic chicken farm. In my chicken farm or organic chicken farm, there are two kind of organic chicken food. The first is mine chicken food, and the second is extra chicken food. For the mine chicken food, organic mine chicken food, material raw of mine chicken food from the brand, and then papaya leaf or papaya fruit, unripe or ripe papaya. This material raw very cheap, and we can get by free around my chicken food, or we cultivation papaya in my chicken farm or chicken garden. That is the first on the mine chicken food. And then the second organic chicken food is extra chicken food. For the extra chicken food, many material raw, we can give the chicken in our farm from the banana tree, and then we can release our chicken in the yard of the garden. So the chicken on there are looking for her food by themselves, like in this video. It's very cheap, very cheap.